All right, numbers 5 and 6. So number 5, we have an error analysis question. So 2 students are asked to simplify the following expression, x to the 4th plus x to the 4th. It gives us the first student and the second student. Both students argue that their method is correct. Are both students correct? Is one student correct, or is neither student correct? Explain your reasoning. So let's look. Sometimes it's easiest to tell which student is correct by just doing the problem yourself. So we have x to the 4th plus x to the 4th. So that's where things are a little bit different, right? If we look at any of our rules, we did multiplication in that one, division in that one, multiplication, 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 all that. So we didn't really do an example that had addition, right? But let's say, I'm going to give you an example. So let's just not have exponents here for a second. So if I just did x plus x, we have an x and we add another one. Now we have 2x, right? They were just being added. You're just adding them together. We're not multiplying them together. We're not creating x to the second power. We just added them together. You have an x and you add another x. Now we have 2x. It works the same way. So if we have x to the 4th plus x to the 4th, right? Think of it as like pencils and pens. If you have a pencil plus a pencil, 2 pencils. X to the 4th, let's treat those like pens. You have a pen plus another pen. Now you have 2 pens, right? So it's just 2x to the 4th, right? Because this is not multiplication, right? We know that we just add them together. So which one is right? Well, we should get 2x to the 4th. That matches the first student, okay? Right, the second student did x to the 4th plus x to the 4th would be x to the 8th, right? If we look at it, if we did x to the 4th times x to the 4th, then the second student would be correct, right? Because then we would bring down our common base and then add the exponents to get x to the 8th. But that only happens if we would have multiplication instead of addition. So because we have addition, it's not correct. So first student is correct. Because we have addition, not multiplication. Boom.